Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this eye look. Now I was wearing this a few videos back and I did get quite a few requests to film this eye look, and I did end up recreating this eye to post an Instagram picture, whatnot, insert picture here so you guys can understand what I mean. And I decided, why waste this one eye? Let me teach you guys how to apply the eyeshadow on this eye. So yeah, that's what I did. I only focused on the eyes today just so that you guys can learn if you are beginners with eyeshadow. I thought that this might be a really good tutorial for you guys. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this eye look right here, and I do honestly feel like this is a very beginner friendly tutorial, so if you want to see how I got this look, then do please keep on watching. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in so you guys can see what I'm doing, and the first thing I'm going to start off with is priming the lids. Now for priming the lids, I like to use my MAC what is this, the Pro Conceal and Correct palette. So these are the Studio Finish concealers, and I like to mix NC40 with NC42 and just apply this all over my lids. So I'm just going to pat this onto my eyelid, and I'm using the Color Shading 312 brush. You can use your fingers or use whatever works for you. And putting this concealer down is just going to create a flawless base for all the rest of the shadows to sit on. I'm taking my Yardley Absolute Translucent powder, trying not to get any creases in this. Taking my brush again, smoothing out those creases, and then I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm just going to set this entire eyelid into place. So for this look today, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill times Morphe palette. But if you guys don't have this palette, then as always, use whatever you have at your disposal. Now I'm going to go straight in with an orange shade, which is this one right here. Now this is Hunts from the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe palette. And picking this up on a color blending 311 brush. And I'm just going to put that into my crease, like right in the center of the lid, kind of just dispense it in the center, and then I'm going to work my way to either side of my crease. There's no need for me to really build up the product on the outer corner of the eye, because I want the entire eye to have the turquoise shade, and I literally just want this orange to be a transition. So I'm putting the color in the crease, and then I am using light circular motions to just blend out any harsh lines. So taking the shade Jada right here, which is a matte color, so I'm literally picking up the turquoise color and I'm going to pack this all over my lid. Now this is a beginner friendly tutorial, so even if you are just starting out with makeup, you can definitely recreate this look. So I'm taking this Jada shade and I'm literally packing it all over my lid. I'm using patting motions, so I'm patting it onto the eyelid, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit translucent powder under the eye just in case. Taking whatever's left on my brush and I'm lightly taking it slightly into the crease, mixing it with the transition shade. Okay, so as you guys can see, where the turquoise met the orange, it kind of amplified the color into like a bottle green color, which I'm really not mad about. I actually really like that color, and that's going to give us a nice base to cut the crease and create the spotlight halo sort of look. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Essence Metal Shock shadow. This is in 1 second to Mars. And this is just literally one of those brushes that you get from the LA Girl nudes palette, smoky palette, those palettes. So I'm literally going to pick this up on my brush. I'm coating both sides, and then I am going to cut my crease. Gonna go down the center of my lid. I'm not being very precise because this is a glitter, so it's not as precise as if you were using a concealer. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to blend this cream shadow on either side. And then taking this shade right here, this is called Pool Party, and I'm just using another one of these flat brushes, and I'm just going to pat it on either side of this eye. Then I'm gonna take this brush and just sort of pat either side of that Pool Party, or is it called Pool Party? Yeah, I always call it poolside by mistake, so now I'm like, oh, am I saying it? Am I saying the right name? And I'm just gonna pat either side of this spotlight halo just to make sure everything is nicely blended. And that is it for the top of the eye. You can go in and blend any harsh lines that may have appeared, but I'm pretty happy with the way the eye looks. And now I'm gonna go on to drawing some wings. So for the wings, I'm using my Wet n Wild Pro Line Felt Tip eyeliner. Okay, so I just drew some wings. This wing is playing me. It's definitely not like this one, but we're gonna get moving with the tutorial because we're here for the eyeshadow, not for the wings. Alright, so taking that Jada shade, I'm just looking over to my sheet to see what the names are called because I am I'm a little OCD about knowing names of things. So I'm taking that Jada shade and I'm just going to use it on that brush that I used to pack on this color, and I'm just going to almost smoke it on my lower lash line, but not really. I'm literally just imparting the color. And then I'm taking that blending brush and I'm picking up just a little bit of Hunts, and I'm gonna put this right under that Jada shade, just right under. I don't want it to completely blend in to the Jada shade. I just want to kind of create a blend and almost just hug it, so it's not just blue on the lower lash line and the warmness on the top ties in with the warmth at the bottom, if that makes any sense. And then I'm gonna go in with a powder brush. It's quite a bit of fallout at this point, and just dust away any excess powder and fallout. When you are going over top with quite a variation of layers, you can tend to get some fallout, especially in the blending process. So it's always nice to have that security blanket, which is baking under the eye with powder. Okay, and then finishing up the lower lash line with some mascara. I'm just using my Essence I Heart Extreme Volume Mascara, nothing fancy. And then I'm going in with the shade Beam, which is this one right here. And on a small detailed brush, I'm just gonna go in and highlight my inner tear ducts. And then whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to lightly take it and put it on the highest point of my brow bone to just give the brow bone a little extra lift. And then I'm gonna go ahead off of camera and apply my Tezi B Starlet lashes. So that is pretty much it for this eye look. Comment down below, let me know how you guys enjoyed this video. Would you like more videos where I just focus on the eyes and just teach you guys step by step the eye technique and all that jazz? And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.